For over 20 years, Keen Building Products has pioneered building science beyond the code. Our mission is to enhance the longevity of cladding and the health of your walls. With more than 200 million square feet of our drywall rain screen installed, we know how to ensure that building owners avoid costly repairs due to improper moisture management. Recognizing that each project is unique and not all cladding requires the high performance of our drywall rain screen, we have introduced Driwall Drainable Housewrap. This solution will reduce installation time and cost while providing essential drainage and protection for your exterior walls. Our drainable housewrap goes beyond satisfying specifications. It is an invaluable tool for creating seamless exterior wall systems for modern builds. By enabling quick water drainage behind the exterior cladding, this advanced solution effectively prevents moisture buildup that could result in serious problems within the building cavity. Some of our key performance features for Driwall Drainable Housewrap. Driwall Drainable Housewrap combines a Type II water-resistive barrier and drainage plane in one product. It provides a 1.5 millimeter continuous drainage path that rapidly expels water from behind the cladding while allowing internal moisture from the conditioned space to escape. We've engineered Driwall Drainable Housewrap to ensure humid air can exit the wall assembly while preventing condensation buildup. This creates a dynamic barrier that protects structural components, extends cladding lifespan, and maintains the home's long-term performance integrity. Ideal for use with fiber cement, cedar, and engineered siding materials, Driwall Drainable Housewrap represents Keen Building Products' commitment to moisture management technology for the modern builder.